Hey there Discord users, welcome to Tech Basics, and today's video is all about finding Discord ID. Let's get started. First of all, open your Discord app, and if you want to know your Discord ID, tap on your profile picture at the bottom right corner of your screen. And you should see a smaller text below your name. That is your Discord ID. But if you want to see other people's Discord ID, just go to their profile from your chats. Just tap on their profile picture and you should see their Discord ID under their name. The process on PC is slightly different, but the concept is same, and that's how you find the Discord ID. If you have any question or run into any trouble, leave a comment below and I'll try my best to help you guys. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe to my channel for more tech tips. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching.